There's no coupon code available for SkySnail on their official website or anywhere on the internet. Let's be honest, spending 3 hours designing a scroll stopping thumbnail after you've already spent all week editing the actual video is the fastest way to burn out as a creator. Now, you've seen the other AI thumbnail apps out there. They talk a big game about one click designs. But the second you plug in your project, they show their two-faced side. They spit out generic blurry graphics that look like 2012 clip art, force you to manually re-upload your brand colors and fonts every single time, and lock the clean 4K export behind an unexpected paywall. They claim to save you time, but you end up spending more hours fixing their ugly layouts than you would have starting from scratch. If you're running a modern content channel or managing digital assets for clients, you don't have time for tools that pull a bait and switch on your workflow. That's why the smart play right now is shifting the back end heavy lifting to SkySnail. This platform completely eliminates the hypocrisy of modern design tools by turning your actual content into data driven visual assets. You don't just type a vague prompt, you drop in your raw video link or upload your script transcript. The engine reads your narrative arc, extracts the exact psychological hook of your video, and maps it directly onto creator proven layout templates optimized for high click through rates. But here's where it completely leaves the two faced competitors in the dust: the custom avatar engine. With standard design software, you're stuck manually cutting out your face, adjusting the contrast, and trying to force your expression to match the theme of the video. SkySnail lets you upload your face once to your permanent brand kit. From that point forward, the AI automatically maps your avatar into any design template, perfectly adjusting the placement, shadows, and expressions to fit a finance vlog, a gaming clip, or a high-end corporate presentation with zero manual reconfiguring. This means you finally stop bleeding hours in the design phase. You can export ultra premium, watermark free 4K thumbnails across YouTube, TikTok, and Instagram in over 40 languages simultaneously. You maintain perfect visual consistency across your entire digital infrastructure, pulling in views mathematically while your competitors are still stuck adjusting fonts and moving pixels by hand. Stop letting inefficient, two-faced layout engines bottleneck your distribution pipeline. Plug in a system that turns your links into click-worthy assets instantly, lock in your brand architecture, and start shipping.